really attack the zone.
Here come the Dukes. Curry with the rebound. This is Harry Hall, the freshman. He gets it to Jackson Kemp, their best outside shooter, number 10. Skip pass. Curry lost his balance. Nation, his first shot of the season, off the front of the rim. And the Dukes hustle after it. Kent, a good three-ball shooter. Way strong on that. Thompson with the Ohio State board.
James Madison, you missed 2 shots, but you got 2 good looks. You know, so you starting to feel a little bit more comfortable attacking the zone. Mir Williams is not inside. They take something out, but better offensive execution. And speaking of offensive execution,
Wow, what a drive.
I mean, with the finish as well, Tom.
Well, already 10 points for Russell. He's showing you now his ability to score inside.
Well, at least he can make it look like it's a little bit more difficult than that. I mean, because he's scoring at ease right now. And some people just seem to have the knack to make the game look real simple. You can tell when D'Angelo gets out of shorts, it's almost like the Marquette game. He kind of forced it. It wasn't a natural rhythm. He's in rhythm. My goodness, the game just looks too easy.
Well, the old adage certainly applies to him. He's quick, but he's not in a hurry. And the ball slapped out of bounds, so Ohio State maintains possession.
The next step for D'Angelo is change of pace. And we talk about it a lot, especially when he runs the point guard, because he's real methodical when he pushes it up the court, kind of survey. But that quick burst of speed, that change of pace, that's that next, to me, evolution to his game that kind of will separate him from the rest of the pack.
Nobody works any harder than he does at it. Shaq's got to the miss. Strong rebound by
I think they're done.